In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact in Gmail. So I'm here on my computer, and the first thing I'm going to do is open Google Contacts in my browser, since that's where Gmail stores and manages all saved contact information. Once the Google Contacts page loads, I sign into my Google account if needed. After signing in, I can see the main contacts dashboard where all my saved contacts are listed. This is where you can manage existing contacts or add new ones whenever you need. Now, to add a new contact, I move my mouse to the top left corner of the screen and click on the button labeled Create Contact. As soon as I click it, Gmail gives me a couple of options for creating a new entry. From the options that appear, I select Create a Contact. This opens a form where I can enter the information for the person I want to add. Now I start filling in the contact details, I type the person's name, and then I add their email address. If I want, I can also include additional information like a phone number, company name, job title, or even notes that help me remember who the person is. Adding more details can be helpful later because Gmail can use that information across different Google services, making it easier to identify and contact the person. Once I've entered the information I want, I quickly review everything to make sure the details are correct. After that, I move down and click the Save button. As soon as I click Save, the new contact is added to my Google Contacts list. Now the contact is stored in my account and can be used whenever I compose an email in Gmail. The next time I start typing this person's name or email address in the recipient field, Gmail will automatically suggest the contact, which saves time and helps prevent typing mistakes. You can repeat this same process whenever you need to add another contact to your list, and that's it. I opened Google Contacts, signed in, clicked Create Contact, selected Create a Contact, entered the contact details and clicked Save. The new contact is now added and ready to use in Gmail.